What in Sam Hill is that dog doing here?
Platoon, attention!
This is an army base, not a petting zoo. Whose dog is this?
Yes, he's my dog, Colonel, sir.
What in tarnation? Did you train this dog, soldier?
Yes, sir. Wasn't that hard, sir?
Hey, boy, go fetch him. He's quite a dog you got there, Conroy. At ease. Look at him. He has been training alongside you guys, and he drills better than most of you. You could all learn something from him.
Stay, Stubby. Don't worry. I'll be back soon.
How did he get here?
I don't know. It's a miracle. What do you see?
It's gas. We need to sound the alarm. Let's go. Run! Run! The horses, stay here!
Stay! Come on! Stubby, go! Go tell them, Stubby, go!
What? Stubby? Okay. Gas!
Move it! Keep it down! Fire!
Hey, little dog. Gas! The dog is trying to warn us! Everybody, go inside and put on your masks!
It's okay. Shh. Stubby.
Come here, boy. Thank you for my whole village. Stubby, you are our hero, Stubby.
Coming through, guys! Coming through, mind your back! Stretcher!
Stubby!
Come on, let's go! Stubby!
Smoke at 750 yards!
Thank you, Stubby.
Mother, how that mutt survived, I'll never know. He is so lucky.
He's so brave. I wish I had half his courage.
Courage? It's not courage. It's dumb luck, believe me.
No! Stubby! Oh, come on. Come on. You'll be okay. You're gonna be okay. Come on.
Schroeder, did you see what that dumb dog did? He saved my life.
Doc, Stubby needs help.
He's a dog, soldier. I'm sorry.
He's my friend. He's one of us. He saved lives, please.
Okay, just lay him on the ambulance.
Don't worry, Conroy. He's strong. Come on, Conroy. I know it's hard, but you must stay strong.
Oh no. Quick, we need a doctor! My buddy is real sick!
Stubby. Where's Stubby?
Just let him rest. That's the only thing he can do now.
Good.
What is it, Stubby? Stubby.
Don't even think about it.
For his capture of a German spy in Marshville, I confer the honorary rank of sergeant on Stubby, the regimental mascot.
Hey, Stubby, you outrank me now.